Welcome back. Well, if you want the finest in audio quality, you have to put the workmanship into your end product. And I'm here with the people who do, and that's Gershman and Ofra. You guys have put science into it, styling into it, and you have come out with the best sound. Tell our viewers a little bit about the company and a little bit about your products.
Our company is in Canada. We're out of Toronto. We've started about 15 years ago. We've developed a product speaker which is actually very different from all the other speakers, which is called the Gap. At that time everybody was making just rectangular speaker, and we were very different than everybody else. And this is how we started standing out in the crowd. The way we designed our speakers is so that it's a combination of form and beauty, science and beauty, and our speakers are one that you can show off in your house, and as opposed to hiding it behind walls or behind curtains or behind furniture. You show it off, you enjoy it, and they're wonderful to listen to. We cater to homes with different decors, with different finishing. We also do home theater, and the end product is what counts, and the sound is amazing, and a lot of people spend a lot of time with home theater with the family listening to it, but they also want to listen to nice music. So when you use really good stereo system in your home theater, then your end presentation and your music presentation is just unbelievable, and you can combine both.
It makes a big difference, doesn't it?
It does. The end result is that you have a better clarity, a nice imaging, and when you sit and listen to the speakers, you feel like you're in a real performance, you're in a real show, or you're watching a movie where you're really in the movie, part of the movie, and that's what you want to have.
And evidence of that is by the different awards that I see hanging on the wall here.
Yeah, we are very well known at the high-end audio business. We just recently got awards as Product of the Year award from England. We're product, I think it's called the Golden Year Award from American Magazine, and the Editor Choice Award from an American magazine. And it's something that we've been waiting to get for a long time, and it's very nice to be recognized. And I think that just helps us worldwide.
Well, it's recognition well-deserved. And speaking of which, you guys have taken that and really brought your premium sound out called the Black Swan. Can we go look at that?
Sure.
Ofra, you have combined beauty and the magnificent sound. Tell us about the Black Swan.
The Black Swan is a speaker's model that we actually came up with about 2 years ago. Gershman, who's the designer of Gershman Acoustics, was working on it for many years. And the beauty of it is that it's so ingenious, it's so simple, yet it's absolutely magnificent looking, and it actually applies to all the problems that all the other speakers have. What we did here, we completely separated the bass module, then the tweeter and mid-range, which is at high and mid tones. And so there's no vibration coming from the woofer to interrupt with the clarity of the tweeter and mid-range. Now, another thing that we did is a lot of times there's a problem with time alignment with the bass, which is much slower than the tweeter and mid-range. So what we did is, because it's two separate enclosures, you can actually move the cabinet back and forth. So the bass module can be moved forward and backward to help with the time alignment, whichever room that you're using.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So I can tweak it to any environment that I have.
Yes, that's right.
Well, Ofra, right now you have the attention of all of our viewers. How can they learn more about Gershman?
They can go to our website at gershmanacoustic.com, or they can call us and learn all about our speakers. On our website there's also nice decor room, which are designed by different interior designers, and they can get an idea of how to combine it with our design.
Ofra, thank you so much for being on Welcome Home. I'm going to kick back, just listen to some music.
Thank you very much. Nice being here.